Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. And today I am going to share my review of the TEDx talk Why Animal Help Each Other by Ashley Ward. I watched this interesting talk and learn that animals are not always focused only on themselves. Many animals cooperate with one another in different focused or only on themselves. Many animals cooperate with on another in different way, and this op- cooperation can help them survive and live successfully. One of the most interesting thing I learned is that animals can work together, protect each other, share resource, and something help me- members of their group. The occupation can be seen in different space and environment. The talk made me think about how animals communicate and interesting with one another. Some animal use sound, body movement, or other signal to warn other about danger by working together. Animal can something find food, protect themselves, and take care of their you more difficulty. Another important lesson from the talk is that cooperation is contact to survival. When animals help each other, they can something achieve things that would be difficult for one animal to accomplish alone. The show how teamwork can be valuable in the natural world. I also learned that study animal behavior helps silence understand how cooperation develop and why it can be beneficial. Oppressing animal gives researchers important information and relationship with different species. Overall, I found why animals help each other educational, interesting, and inspire. The biggest lesson I learned is that cooperation is an important part of life, not only for human but also for many animals. Thank you for my watching review. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level F8 Islamabad campus. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.